Hi, this is Michelle from Blog Network Basics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Article Marketing Robot to post to blogs that you have in your network. You will need a Spintax file to do this, as well as a copy of Article Marketing Robot. And in this example, I am going to be posting to a blog that I've owned for quite a while, Passive Income Online Blog.info, the .info version of my personal blog. But in your case, you would hopefully at this point have an expired domain that you have installed WordPress on according to how I outlined it in the guide. As you can see here, I've chosen a theme related to the content of earning money online, and I still have the sample posts up that I'll take out later, but I just want to show you at this point that it's just a standard WordPress install with a new theme on it. And we are now going to switch over and look at Article Marketing Robot. Here I have a fresh install of Article Marketing Robot on my computer. I haven't done anything at this point. So the first step will be to create an author account. It doesn't have to be real information here. I use the author accounts to help sort by niches, basically, the blogs that I want to submit to, and for each author account I'll have different articles underneath it related to that niche. So this one, for instance, is going to be related to passive income. I'll just come up with a fake email that's not a real email, and then say passive income, passive, I don't really need, I'll just put up 325 Main, Main Street, let's say San Fran, 98111, California. This information really is not absolutely necessary. What you do need to fill in, though, is your website address. I'm going to put it in. And then about me, just say website developer. Those are the two things you will need. And then you're just going to click save. It wants me to do the pop information as well. Again, you don't need this stuff. And I'm just going to click save. Account name can be blank, passive, and then okay. So again, this stuff doesn't need to be accurate because you're not actually going to be using the pop setup or the author account information. You just want to create an author account that you can then use to submit articles with to your blog. And here we're going to add an article, so we'll just click add, and then I'm going to open up a file that I have of the article that I wrote earlier and rewrote many times, and this is the title portion. I will put that in here and make sure the syntax looks okay. I'll say test 1, and then this is the body of the article. It includes an image as well as links in it, and I'm going to put that here in the body portion. I will say passive income for the keywords. Don't need a resource box, don't need a summary because I'm just submitting to my own blogs, and I'll just say income here. And then you're going to want to preview it by hitting the preview button just to make sure that it comes out okay. And this is the image that I've put in. I've just pulled an image from my blog, here is the link, and it will tell me how much the body count is as well. I can spin it again to see if it has another, use the same image, different version. I can do this several times if I want, actually. And this one, it's put in my blog book, same anchor text. I'll do it once more. Back to the other version, and so forth. But it's all looking okay. There isn't any formatting errors that I can see. The grammatically it looks okay. It has the image. This image will actually be to the left of the content when it's posted on my blog. So while you might want to earn income online by passive income, it has my author name there too. Okay, so I am just going to now click OK because it's okay, and the next thing to do will then be to add it to my blog, post it to the blog that right now doesn't have any content on it, this blog here. Now to do that, automatically I'm going to unselect all of these and just click blogs, and when I refresh it, you'll see right now I don't have any blogs in the system. I need to add one, and I'm going to add this one. And to do this, I just click this button, and then I will add the URL from the site into there. Click add. Okay. Right here is where you add the URL. Then I'm going to add my login information to the WordPress blog, and then click OK. It's now on my list, and I'm ready to submit to it. So I will then go to Article Marketing Robot and click on this article, select directories. I'm going to refresh the list. Now it's there. I can select it, and then I just click submit, and it's going to ask me if I'm really ready to do it. In this example, I'm going to submit to all my blogs at once. If you had like 20, it would tell you, it would say that you're submitting this item to 20 blogs. You could submit using a schedule where you submit to only one blog every 24 hours or 5 blogs every 24 hours, which is great if you want to trip them out slowly. But since I only have one blog right now, and I'm just going to submit to it. And you will see that it starts to do the submission process, and I should see a success here if it does it correctly. Yep, and it says success submitted. So now if I go here and I refresh the blog, it should show the article now. There we go. How to generate a passive income online. And here I have a link to one of my websites and an image, and as you can see, it's a fairly long article, and yeah, there we go. And that's how you use Article Marketing Robot to submit to your private blog network. Obviously with one blog you can just, it might be easier to just copy and paste the article. Even with 5 blogs it might be, but once you've gotten to having 20 or 30 blogs, being able to do this automatically is a great time saver.